Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome back to this update on Ethereum. Didn't make an update yesterday since it was some sort of a public holiday, I guess, some sort of a celebration day here in the Netherlands. So yeah, but we're back again and there's enough to talk about. I mean, Ethereum has had, the entire market has had, but Ethereum as well has had a weird week to say the least. A very manipulated week, I think. We rallied all the way up to this resistance level around 1920, 1940, got a little bit of a fake out here. Like we touched the 0.5 fib and then from there did not react to the bullish breakout, which we technically did have, and dropped back down and even lower than our previous level. So it was, yeah, to me, I mean, this is just huge manipulation. That's just what it is. So it's, yeah, it's not great to see that still in crypto, but it's going to be a while since. Before that will go away. Perhaps also a little bit of a long squeeze, maybe, I don't know. But all right, so the situation since then, we've calmed down a little bit. We're still not doing amazing, but still we're now in this level between 1940 and we have created some sort of a support level around 1880 with the 200 EMA and just a normal key level. So that's kind of the little area in which we're in. We're ranging within that and we're waiting for some sort of new moves. All right, so today we'll have the PCE price index. Usually the market reacts to that quite a lot. So it's waiting for that. I'll tell you what I think will happen with that and I'll tell you all the different possibilities. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But yeah, I mean, first of all, Ethereum, and we talked about this earlier, Ethereum is struggling quite a bit because where Bitcoin actually, as you can see, where Bitcoin almost got back to the same levels as where we were during the 17th and the 12th that week, Ethereum got nowhere near that. I mean, Ethereum should have went to like 2050 to get back to those levels. And I think that is also because, and we talked about this earlier as well, it also is because I think, and if I can find this, I'm not sure if I saw it not too long ago, but I also think it is partially due to the withdrawals of Ethereum, right? After the Shanghai upgrade was completed, what we did see is that the Ethereum withdrawals resulted in a net outflow, at least the last time I checked. I mean, I couldn't find it this quickly. But yeah, it just seems like there's more selling pressure for Ethereum for Bitcoin, which makes sense. But that also, I mean, we have to take that into account, and it's good to know for you as well. But for now, as I said, we are really stuck in that little range between 1818 and 1940. What I expect is that the PCE price index will be lower than expected. That's in line with all of the economic numbers that we got since the last one. However, things like these are hard to predict. It's based on so many, if you really want to predict it better than the consensus, you should go through all of the economic reports, do a great analysis and research on that. That's not what I did. It's mostly based on feelings. But yeah, so it's all about that 4.5. If it's higher than 4.5, that's bad. If it's lower, then that's good. All right, so if it's actually higher, I think we'll crash back down to our previous levels around 1820 with a chance of breaking below that and starting our drop down towards 1720. However, I think we'll find support at 1820. And if it's if it's lower than expected, then we'll just break above 1940, and I think we can regain that 2000 and 2020 level. So it's all about that. I mean, right now you're seeing some short-term bearish momentum because the dollar strength index is quite strong, for example. But that's also nearing its resistance again. So as I said, I do not expect huge moves before the outcome of the event. Until that, we might see some more bearish momentum down to the levels around 1880 and perhaps 1860. But that's my take on it for now. I'll monitor it closely. I might even make an emergency update later today. But for now, this is my take on Ethereum. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.